The summer house is coming along nicely. You can clearly see I've started the cladding, which I'm pretty happy with. The color I'm still not sure about, but I think by the time I give it more quotes it might actually change, but we're not sure. So this is what it's looking at like at the moment. I've done the wiring. So yeah, it's a rainy day today, so I don't think I'll be putting in any cladding today, but this is what we're looking like at the moment. Yeah, this is it. So I have, you probably obviously can't see any nails. That's because I've used brad nails. They're pretty small. I need to basically zoom in for you to be able to see. Can you see it? There you go. I'm pretty happy with the brad nails. I've used galvanized brad nails. You can also use stainless steel. I'm happy with the results. It's looking nice, there's no holes, and it's pretty strong as well. So yeah, inside, let's see. Inside is still a mess. I've got my little box set up here where I cut the shiplap. Here are some of the shiplap, which I'm still to put onto the summer house. But yeah, all in all, I'm pretty happy. This is the paint. So I'm using a willow paint, but it's not coming out like that. It's coming out more like that. So I don't know, maybe when I give you a few more quotes, then it might change color, but for now it's coming out more like that compared to what it's on the tin. So yeah, that's the update of the playhouse so far. I'll be putting in